All right, we're starting off with our 6 pounds of sweet corn drained. Go ahead and smooth that out. I have an extra deep aluminum pan for this super easy and delicious recipe. Next, I'm coming in with 2 containers of my grape tomatoes that I sliced in half. Now I have 12 ounces of crumbled feta that we're gonna put right next to our tomato. Now this is super easy and super customizable, so if you don't like any of these ingredients, you can sub them out for what you like, but this is gonna be incredible. Next, I have 1 large cucumber that I diced, and we're gonna put that right next to our feta. So easy and so delicious. I love corn and I love this recipe. Now I got 2 containers of those diced red onions from the grocery store, and we're putting that right there. Look how gorgeous this is coming together. Now with all these beautiful ingredients, we're gonna grab 1 large lemon and we're gonna juice this lemon right on top of all of our ingredients. This recipe is perfect for, a barbecue potluck, a super easy summer side dish that you can just throw together. It is a crowd pleaser. I mean, who doesn't love corn? So we're gonna make sure we get both of those halves of lemon juiced into our aluminum pan. All right, and I'm gonna grab my extra virgin olive oil and we're gonna add about 1 cup to 2 cups of olive oil right into our pan. Now I'm using the fancier olive oil, but you could obviously use the more affordable one. It is totally your preference. It will taste just as good. This is just what I had in my house, so that's why I went for it. Okay, let's make sure we get enough oil to really get this juicing. Perfect. Now, of course, we've got to add some seasoning. I'm gonna start off with my favorite, some garlic powder. But just like with the veggies, you can add whatever seasoning you like. Do not be afraid to add more or less than what I'm doing. We're gonna do some onion powder, just complement all of these veggies and the onion we already have in here. Smells incredible already. Beautiful. Now, of course, we're gonna add a little bit of salt because salt and corn just go so beautifully together. And we're gonna add a generous amount because this is a large serving. Now, last but certainly not least, we have some pepper. And this one's, gotta take the lid off first. This one is still a little bit more stubborn, so you gotta make sure you really get your pepper on there. But nothing's better than freshly ground pepper. All right, and that is it, you guys. Our corn salad is ready to be mixed together. So instead of doing a traditional dressing, we're just doing the olive oil and those seasonings. The lemon juice also helps with a delicious dressing flavor, but you could buy like a lemon vinaigrette and use that if you wanna be lazy, but it's so easy just to throw this together, and I'm telling you, it is such a crowd pleaser, and look how delicious all of those flavors are coming together. The colors are just vibrant. I mean, this is a salad I would want at all of my barbecues.
Ooh, the aroma is outrageous.
You know it.
Wow.
Okay, now this is ready for the barbecue, but you guys know I have to do a taste test to make sure it's good enough to serve my guests. So I'm just gonna grab a spoonful, make sure you get the tomatoes, everything right in there. Looks so good. Okay. Bon appetit. That is so good. Wow.